my future programmer. Today's video section we are going to see about the insertion sort program in C++. Now, first of all, you will see little bit knowledge about the insertion sorting. What basically insertion sorting is. In this video section, I'm going to cover these following topics. First of all, what is insertion sort? That is the definition of insertion sorting. After that, we will see algorithm related to insertion sorting, efficiency as well as advantages and disadvantages of it, and last but not the least, program in C++. So let's start with what is insertion sorting. The basic idea of this method is to place an unsorted element into its correct position in a growing sorted list of elements. We select one element from unsorted set at a time and insert it into its correct position in sorted set. The process continues till the unsorted element becomes empty. You can see this simple example. In this example, we are ordering, that is the arrangement of playing cards. We pick up one card at a time and insert this card in its proper position. In this card head, you can see in this diagram. This is a simple example of insertion sorting. There are certain data which we want to list it out in sorted manner with the help of insertion sort. So basically there are two sets. One is a unsorted and second one is a sorted. When a new element is to be inserted into the sorted list, it is compared with the element in the sorted list and inserted its correct place. This is done by shifting the element which is greater than the element one position to the right. The comparison is done backward from the last element. You can see this example, and already I have explained this with the help of simple card playing. Basically how we are sorting the cards according to the positions of that particular number. Insertion process begins from the second element, since the first element can be directly placed in the sorted set at the position 0. Now this is the algorithm for insertion sorting. Always remember the element will be shifted to the right side. There are different types of efficiency of insertion sort. First one is the best case. If the initial data is sorted, only one comparison is made in each pass. That is, each element will be compared only with the last element in sorted list. So the best case time complexity is 0. And over here, simple example. For example, there are certain elements, then it will compare with that particular number which is on the right hand side. Worst case, if the initial data is to be reverse order, each element will be compared with each element in the sorted list. You can see the example of worst case. Now we will jump towards the advantages as well as disadvantages of its. Advantages. It is a simple sorting method. A it is in place sorting method. It is a stable sorting method. The best case complexity is a 0 to n. Most suitable sorting method if elements are almost sorted, and disadvantage, that is a worst case efficiency. This is a simple program of insertion sorting. In this program, we have created one function, that is the insertion sort, and after that, over here, allowing user to enter the size of array, then each value will be entered according to the size of array, and after that it will sort that particular elements. So this is the output of that program. So entering the size of array 5, so it will allow user to enter the 5 elements, and accordingly it will sort in the ascending order. In the above program, the compiler asks user to enter the n element and store in the array. Then we are comparing those elements so that they can be arranged properly, that is either ascending or descending order, and then accordingly we are getting the output. Now, runtime test cases. Basically, three cases were there: average, worst, as well as best case. First one is the average case. In this case, elements are entered in the random order. You can see over here the output. Second case is the best case. The elements are already sorted. Third one is the worst case. In this case, the elements are in the reverse order. Thank you students for watching my video. We will meet soon in new video section.